Hey guys, this is Ghost. Man, it has been a while, so I'm just trying to make this brief because this is a video that I want to dedicate to someone else, but thank you guys so much for donating and supporting and buying my art. I was able to replace my computer and I am back in business. I'll make a video where I dedicate it to the people who have helped me get this computer in the future, but for now let's move on to the topic of this video. So back in May, I was watching a whole bunch of slime videos because I was bored, and then I decided I kind of want some myself. So back in May of this year, I was watching a whole bunch of slime videos because I was bored and slimes look cool and sound cool and stuff like that. So I was watching these videos and I thought, I kind of want some slimes myself, but I'm really bad at making slime, so I decided to buy some. But instead of buying some slimes from really well-known or popular shops, I decided to look on Etsy and see if I could find any slime shops that either had, I believe, less than 100 sales was the criteria, or they didn't have any reviews or things like that. And I was gonna buy some and see how they were and, you know, tell you guys about my experience. I tried a whole bunch of different stores, but some things didn't work out for a lot of these stores, so it actually took me a while to be able to get in contact with a store that would work for this video. And I finally came across this one called Colorique Creations. This store sells slimes paired with squid figurines, like handmade clay squid figurines, along with slime. And you basically adopt the squid, and the slime is the ink, and that's basically the whole gimmick of the store. Oh, and they also sell polymer clay miniatures, let me just put that out there. So I thought this was adorable, first of all, so I knew this was the shop that I really wanted to review, and I talked to the owner, and she was really willing to do this, so that's how this video happened. And fast forward a little more, I think it was in June or July? Since I was ordering from the States, it actually took quite a while to get here, and by the time it was here, I was really busy with school registrations and a whole bunch of other stuff that I honestly don't really want to get into, but either way, my schedule got incredibly hectic. I found a spare day to film the video, and then I started editing it on my computer. And then you know what happened to that computer. So yeah, this video is very long in the making. I am so sorry this took so long, but I hope the wait was worth it. For those of you watching, if you watch this video and like the slimes, please check out the store. I will put the link in the description below. Let's get on with this video. Alright, so here is the package. I've blurred out my address here. Sorry for my nails, they're kind of messed up, but just ignore them. Not important. The package has come in a purple bubble mailer. I didn't know bubble mailers came in different colors. This is actually pretty cool. And the package is sealed by some stickers. These are custom stickers for the shop. They're very cute. Now let's get the package open. Oh dear, it appears that I've accidentally cut through some ribbon. I hope that won't be too big of a deal. Right, so first up, oh, we have the squids. Unpackage everything before I talk about things. Alright, so when I talked things over with the owner of the store, she told me that she was going to send me some extras, so I can see she sent me one other slime besides the one that I ordered. It appears that one is leaking a little bit, but that's kind of what happens when you order slime online. So I'll take care of that in a bit. Let's go over everything else that has come in the package. Each squid adoption kit comes with an adoption certificate. Since there are 2 squids, I have 2 of those certificates. Unfortunately, one has a little bit of staining in the corner because of the slime, but that's not too big of a deal. And a squid care and adoption guide. which I have no idea what's written inside, so I'm going to take a look. I appreciate the effort that has been put into it, all the detail. It's very cute. Alright, so the squid that I ordered was a hamburger squid, and it came with a ketchup butter slime that was the squid ink. So this is the one that I ordered. The other slime has gotten on him a little bit, but that seems to be coming off quite nicely. He's a bit delicate, but he's very cute. Look at him. So he's got those little big ol' eyes, and it's so cute. The other squid appears to be a butterfly. It's yellow, it's got butterfly wings, and it has some purple polka dots on it, as well as the same big eyes. Done what I can with this situation, but it's quite melted. It honestly would have been nice to have some spare activator just in case this happens, but it's not too big of a deal. Unfortunately, I don't have any borax or anything else that really activates slime. I have made slime at home using my laundry detergent. Bleh. I have made slime using my laundry detergent before, so I'm gonna try adding some to see if that would help. Hopefully it will. Alright, so it is starting to come together, so I'm glad that this was a fixable thing. It looked like there were different colors like layered on top of each other, but unfortunately the stirring has gotten rid of that. I can see that the slime has been scented and it smells wonderful. It's really hard to convey smell through words, but it smells very floral and I like it. I think I'm gonna have to add some more detergent. It's very sticky still. Alright, so I did my best to reactivate the slime. It's still a little bit sticky and the glitter falls out a little bit, but I think that's to be expected with a glittery slime. I honestly haven't really tried any others, but I'm really pleased with how it looks. It's very pretty and it's very shiny. It's got two different types of glitter in it. It's got like a gold hexagon glitter and like a clear sort of iridescent glitter. Oh yeah, and it also has like really tiny glitters in it. I don't really know how many colors that is, but it seems like there's a lot going on and it's really interesting to look at. And the smell is really nice. It's got like a floral note to it. I really can't describe smells by just describing it with words, but it's got a very pleasant smell to it. And when I was stirring the activator in, I honestly enjoyed the smell. The thing is, it was melted and that was really unfortunate, and I didn't really have anything to activate it with. I just had to dump a whole bunch of laundry detergent into it and hope it worked. Thankfully it did, but if there was one critique I would give, it would be that some spare activator, maybe just like a tiny bag of borax or something like that, would be helpful in case the slime is melted upon arrival. But otherwise, I think this is a really pretty slime. It's appearing blue on camera, but it looks very purple. It's like a really deep purple in real life. It's really pretty, and I really like it. Purple is one of my favorite colors. So I'm really happy with the slime. I'm sorry I'm not really playing with it in like a very satisfying way. Even if I did that, the mic on my camera is really bad, so you wouldn't really hear anything interesting. But yeah, this is a nice slime, and this is actually one of the extras. I didn't order this one. So yeah, thanks so much for this. So I did my best to clean up my hands. There's still some stuff on there. Hopefully I won't contaminate the slime. So this is what I actually ordered. It is a red butter slime, apparently. It seems a little bit sticky. I might have to reactivate this one. I'll just mix it real quick. Alright, thankfully this slime didn't need activating much. It just needed a little bit of mixing so that the sticky layers could absorb into the drier layers, and it seems good as new. It's quite stretchy. It's appearing as sort of like a pink color on camera, it seems like. It is pretty pink in real life too. It's not necessarily ketchup red, but it's a very vibrant, very lovely color, and it's also scented. It smells a bit different from the other slime that I got. It smells kind of sweet, and it kind of reminds me of candy, but I really can't put my finger on it. It's also a very pleasant smell. It doesn't seem to be a true butter slime. I've never actually handled an actual butter slime before, so I don't know what it's like, but from what I see on videos online, they appear like more matte and kind of mushy. This one is pretty glossy, but it is fun to play with anyway, so no complaints there. I can also see some fibers in it when the slime rips from the clay used, but that doesn't affect the playability at all, and it's still a very nice slime to play with. I like it a lot. It doesn't really make that many noises. So that was my overall thoughts on the slimes and the squids. I think they are very cute and I really love this idea. It's super creative and I've never seen anything like it before. Containers look small, but they contain a lot of slime in my opinion, and it's just the right amount to play with. Maybe if you're trying to focus on something and you just want to play with some slime with one hand or something like that, it's just the right amount for that. Unfortunately, there was some melting and some glitter fallout from this slime. That's kind of what happens, especially for slimes of this type. And my one critique I have is maybe adding a little bit of activator just in case this happens, so that the person who gets the slime will be able to reactivate it with no hassle. But other than that, I'm incredibly pleased with this purchase. I had so much fun messing around with the slimes, and I'm really happy to have these squids here. They're so fun to look at, and I think they'll look good on my little figurine shelf. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!